Chapter 1. The Stoic Trader. Have you ever considered how the ancient philosophy of Stoicism could make you a more successful trader? Picture this. A philosophy rooted in understanding what is and isn't within our control, accepting the inevitable ebb and flow of change, and maintaining a serene composure amidst the tumultuous storms of adversity. Now, imagine applying these principles to your trading strategies. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's explore how these principles can be applied to the world of trading through a compelling story. Chapter 2. The Story of the Stoic Trader. Imagine a trader, let's call him John. John was not an ordinary trader, he was a Stoic. In the volatile world of trading, John sailed smoothly, guided by the principles of Stoicism. He understood the delicate balance between what was within his control and what was not. He knew he could control his reactions, his decisions, his strategies, but the market? The market moved to its own rhythm. Adapting to market fluctuations became second nature to him. He didn't panic when the market dipped, nor did he become overly excited when it soared. He was the epitome of calm, a beacon of composure amidst the chaos. His stoic demeanor was his shield, protecting him from the emotional turmoil that often accompanies trading. John's story is not just a tale of financial success, but a testament to the power of Stoicism in trading. Chapter 3. Key Takeaways. So, what can we learn from John's story? The key points to remember are the principles of Stoicism, understanding what's within our control and what's not, adapting to change, and maintaining calm in the face of adversity. These principles, when applied to trading, can make a significant difference. It's all about managing your reactions, not the market. So, remember to stay stoic, stay calm, and adapt as necessary. In the volatile world of trading, being a stoic like John might just be your ticket to success.